Hi, welcome to your home school. This is our last session of your Introduction to Trigonometry, 11th chapter Mathematics NCERT or CBSE syllabus. Okay, so in our last session, what we have completed, fifth main up to 6 problems we have completed. Okay, now we are going to complete from your 7th problem onwards. Let's see what is given here. Prove that by using identities this equal to this. Okay, so let's have a careful look here. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. I think something is common here, right? Oh, with that we may try to do this, right? Let's see here. Look here, children. How to start? Consider LHS, left hand side part. What is that? Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So look here, children, what can I do here? I can see here in this 2 set sin theta is common and in these 2 cos theta is common. Take out. If you take out sin theta common, 1 minus 2 sin cube means 3 sin thetas, right? If 1 sin theta is removed, how many will be left? 2 will be left. How do you write that 2? That is 2 sin square theta. Okay? Whole divided by. Here again, cos theta, take out common. 2 cos cube, children, 1 cos theta if you remove, it will be cos square theta will be left. Theta minus 1. Okay. Now again, what is this? How can I do this? No, I cannot. So something I need to change here. So have a look here clearly. Yes, I got the point. What is this? Sin square theta. Sin square theta. Which identity, children? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What is only sin square theta? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. I can rewrite that. So let's continue here. Is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 brackets. Should be very careful. You have to write this in brackets. 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Whole divided by. So look here, children, no need of changing anything in your denominator. If you change, again it will be reciprocal. Okay, don't change numerator. Numerator try to write as it is. Cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now what I need to do here? Remove this from brackets. So what it will be? Sin theta into 1 minus 2 into 1 will be 2 minus into minus plus 2 into cos square theta 2 cos square theta whole divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so now look here, children, carefully. 1 minus 2 is how much? It is minus 1. Instead of writing here minus 1, I'll write it here. Look here carefully. Sin theta into 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos square theta to cos square theta minus 1 will be cancelled. So finally, what you are left here, children? Sin theta by cos theta. What it will be? It will be equal to tan theta is equal to RHS. Therefore, same manner, LHS is equal to RHS and rewrite the question here. Rewrite the question, children. What is the question here? Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Finally, hence it is proved. Okay, look here children, how to do, you should think of it. What given, what I have to do, which identity I can apply. Okay. What's your fifth main eighth problem? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. You need to prove here. So here by seeing this immediately I remember an identity. What is that? A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So now, okay, so let's consider the LHS part and apply the formula. Consider LHS, that is left hand side. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus, it's looking like theta, okay, secant A whole square. Okay children, now apply the formula. What is A plus B whole square formula here? That is A square. What's your A value? Sin A. B value? Cosecant A here. And again here A changes, B changes. A square plus B square, okay, plus 2AB children. 2 into A value is sin A into B value is cosecant A plus, now apply A plus B whole square for this set. Yeah, A value is cos A, B value is secant A. Now A square plus B square plus 2AB cos A into secant A. Okay, now again look here carefully children. So what can I do this one? I think cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A. Sin A will be cancelled. Next step I'll do here. And one more. What is sin square A plus cos square A? It will be 1. So instead of these two, I will write 1. Okay. Plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A. Cosecant A, how can you write? 1 by sin A plus, skip this one because you already have written that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You have to write this side children. By the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I have written that. Plus secant square A plus, again look here, what is secant A? 1 by cos A. Cos A, cos A. Sin A will be cancelled. Now look here children, how to write this? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, how much? 5. Okay na? So now what is left here? 5 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. Check your answer there. Is this the same answer? No. Then how to write this? Yes, don't worry. You remember some more identities here. It is 5 plus. If you want, you can write here equal to also. Okay, what is cosecant square A? By the identity, it is 1 plus cot square A. What is secant square A? By the identity, 1 plus tan square A. Again, numbers you add children here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. Plus, so at a time you can write like this, tan square A plus cot square A. Instead of cot square A plus tan square A, I have written. Right, to match your RHS. So it is same as your RHS. So finally what you will say here children? Therefore, left hand side is equal to R right hand side. And again rewrite the question. Okay, therefore this equal to this and hence it is proved. Okay, in this problem we have applied only the formulas and identity. Formulas of A plus B whole square, and here cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay, it's very easy children, try to understand. So look your ninth problem, children, here. What is ninth problem? Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. You need to prove. So here consider the LHS. So I have rewritten the left hand side part. I need to prove that. So you have a hint here. Do LHS separate and RHS separate and prove it, they said. So now let's anyhow we do with the LHS. Let's start. Cosecant A, how can you write? Cosecant A is 1 by sin A. So write here 1 by sin A minus sin A you cannot change. Again don't write 1 by cosecant A as it is you leave. Now what is secant A? It is 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay. Now look here. What I need to do here? Do the LCM. Do here LCM. That is sin A. Numerator it will be 1 minus. What it will be, children, here? Sin square A. One more sin A you need to multiply here. 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. Okay. So now again you remember the identities. Which identities you can remember here? By sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You can rewrite two more identities. What is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta. What is sin square theta? It will be 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, you can remember now. Let me write it directly here. What is 1 minus sin square A? It will be cos square A by sin A. See here, children, when you are writing anything, how you are writing, you have to display there. So 1 minus cos square A will be sin square A by cos A. So now look here, I will write here sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. And cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. We know this, right? Okay. So again don't multiply for this. From this I have written like this. So 1 cos A and cos A will be cancelled. Children, here while you are cancelling, never try to cancel cos A, cos A. When you have two cos A's, only power you try to cancel. Here again sin A, 1 sin A have cancelled, 1 sin A will be left. So now what will be? Cos A into sin A, or sin A into cos A also you can write it here. So here what I got here? Cos A and sin A. Cos A into sin A. Is that our RHS? No. So we need to consider RHS separately, and again we are going to solve here. So now consider RHS, right hand side. What do you have right hand side? 1 plus tan A plus cot A. 1 plus tan A plus cot A, children, here. What is this tan A? How can you write here? Tan A can be rewritten as 1 by sin A by cos A plus cot A can be rewritten as cos A by sin A. So now next step here, children, what we need to do here? Let's do the LCM of this denominator. What is the LCM here? Cos A into sin A is your LCM. So this is big. So here already cos A there. So what is missing? Sin A. Multiply sin A into sin A will be sin square A. Plus here sin A there. What is missing? Cos A. Cos A multiplied to the numerator. Cos square A. Now look here. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1. So 1 by cos A into sin A you are going to get. So bring this to the numerator. What you are going to get? 1 by cos A sin A. It will be directly you can write cos A into sin A. This is your second equation. Look here, children. This is equal to cos A sin A. And this is equal to cos A sin A. Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. What is that, children? Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cosecant A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Okay. Finally, hence it is proved. Okay. Okay, so your last problem in this chapter and also in your exercise. Fifth main 10th problem. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to what? 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. See here, what is this? LHS, RHS we used to do. Then this is LHS, RHS and this is any middle one? Yes, 3 sets we have. So what to do, how to do. So each one we are going to consider separately and then we try to solve. Okay, let's consider this one. Consider, don't write any LHS or anything. Consider 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So look, 1 plus tan square A, I can remember an identity. What is 1 plus tan square A? It will be secant square A. And what is 1 plus cot square A, children, here? It is cosecant square A. Okay. So now, what is secant square A? Secant square A, you can rewrite it. How you can rewrite, children? Just try to understand here. Secant square 1 by cos square A. And what is cosecant square A? Cosecant square A, how can you write here? 1 by sin square A. Okay. So now bring this side. Bring it here. How do you bring to the numerator? 1 by cos square A into sin square A by 1. So look here, children. Multiply sin square A by cos square A. It is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. It will be tan square A. Okay, this is your first equation. Look here, I didn't get this value, but I got this value. I think if we consider this set, you might be getting this one. Okay, let's see the next part here. Consider what we are going to consider, children, here. 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. Okay, 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. So here, let me change tan A in the form of sin A by cos A. Cot A in the form of cos A by sin A. That is equal to 1 minus sin A by cos A whole divided by 1 minus cot A cos A by sin A whole square. Okay. Now again do LCM here. 1 and cos A LCM will be cos A. Numerator what you are going to get? Cos A minus sin A. Try to understand here carefully, children. Okay. So now again you write it here. Sin A minus cos A by sin A. So you are taken here again LCM. This will be whole square. So look here. Now how can I do this? So bring to the numerator this denominator set. That will this equal to, bring to the numerator, children. Cos A minus sin A by cos A. Okay. Into, look here. Bring that sin A numerator. Sin A by what it is? Sin A minus cos A whole square. Okay, so now look here. Have a look here. Cos A minus sin A minus cos A cannot be cancelled. If it is cancelled, sin theta by cos theta, it will be tan theta whole square, tan square theta. Answer came. But it should cancel. How can I cancel here? So for that, look here carefully. What am I doing here? To cancel any one you can take, children. Either this you can take negative sign common, or here this one. So here I'll take a negative common. What happens here? Plus cos A will become minus cos A. And minus sin A will become plus sin A. See here, I have rewritten this set again. What did I do here? Only in this I have taken negative common. So, by cos A into sin A by sin A minus cos A whole square. Okay, now look here carefully. Sin A minus cos A cancel. But here, what do you have, children, here? Minus 1, don't forget. So I will write it as minus 1 into sin A will be minus sin A by cos A whole square. Look here, minus, if you do whole square, what happens? Minus into minus, plus. So it will be sin A by cos A will be how much here? Minus tan A whole square. If you do whole square, what you are going to write? Tan square A. So look here, children. So from 1 and 2, it is equal to this set. So what you got here? This is equal to tan square A, and if you solve this, this is also equal to tan square A. Finally, what you are going to write here? Therefore, from 1 and 2, what I can say here? Again, you rewrite the question. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. See, children, these two answers are equal to tan square A. Hence, it is proved. With this, we are going to end our exercise 11.4 as well as our chapter. 11th chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry, is completed. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this chapter. If you have any doubts, you can text me below. Okay, thank you, children.